body recomp versus weight loss. Sometimes the scale doesn't always tell the full story. So let's discuss the difference between just losing some weight versus actually changing the composition of our bodies. All right, let's talk about it. Hey guys, my name is Maya Valenti with The Naked Nutrition. I'm a private chef and a nutrition coach, and I'm here to answer all of your questions about health, wellness, and what to put in your body. All right, today we are talking about the difference between body recomposition and weight loss. Because honestly, this is where a lot of people get frustrated, and I understand you. You're working out, you're eating better, your clothes fit you differently, you feel stronger, and then you step on that scale and it's like, nothing's happened. Rude. But honestly, the scale is not always the best way to measure progress, especially if your goal is body recomposition. Because weight loss, it's pretty straightforward, right? The goal is to lower that number on the scale, usually by losing body fat through a calorie deficit. But body recomposition, that's different. The goal is to lose fat while building or maintaining lean muscle. So your weight may not change dramatically, but your body could look completely different. You might notice more definition, better strength, better posture, or just your jeans fitting better, even if the scale is being deeply unhelpful and again, rude. And that's because muscle and fat affect your body very differently. Muscle is more metabolically active, meaning that it helps support a healthier metabolism and helps your body burn more calories at rest. So when you build muscle while losing fat, you're not just trying to get smaller, you're trying to build a stronger, more capable body. Now, nutrition matters a lot here. For traditional weight loss, the main focus is usually just a calorie deficit, but for body recomposition, you don't want to just slash your calories too aggressively. Because if you're barely eating, your body is just not going to have what it needs to train hard and recover properly. A smaller deficit is usually a better approach, especially if you're strength training. It's not really about eating as little as possible. You really do need to fuel your body properly. And protein is a big part of that equation. If you're trying to change your body's composition, protein needs to be a priority. It helps repair and build muscle and supports recovery and keeps you fuller longer, which is a good one. A good goal for many people is getting a source of protein at every meal and spreading it throughout the day instead of just cramming it all at dinner. So that could look like eggs or Greek yogurt at breakfast, chicken or tofu at lunch, fish or lean meat at dinner, and maybe a protein shake when food just isn't happening for you. Because let's be honest, some days are not going to be that perfect meal prep lifestyle. It's simply not possible every single day. It's just about doing your best and staying consistent. Carbs and fat matter too. Carbs are gonna help fuel your workout, especially strength training, and healthy fats support hormones and overall health. So body recomposition is really not about cutting out entire food groups. It's about building a plate that actually supports the goals. The other big piece, that's gonna be training. If you want body recomposition, strength training has to be a part of the equation. Cardio can support fat loss and of course heart health, but lifting weights is what sends your body signals to build and keep creating muscle. And please do not panic if your scale goes up a pound or two when you start training harder. That can happen from water, muscle glycogen, and inflammation from workouts, or actual muscle gain. It does not automatically mean that you just gained fat. This is why progress photos, measurements, strength improvements, and just seeing how your clothes fit can tell a much better story than just the scale alone, trust me. So, which should you focus on? Weight loss or body recomposition? Well, that completely depends on your goal. If you're someone that has a significant amount of weight to lose, weight loss may be the first phase. But for a lot of people who want to just look more toned or feel stronger, maybe create something sustainable, body recomposition is often the better focus. So if you're only chasing that lowest number on the scale, you might miss the fact that your body, it's actually changing in a really good way. Body recomposition is about losing fat, building muscle, fueling your body properly, and really creating results that you can maintain. So if protein is the piece that you're struggling with, which I can understand, it can be a large number, just check out Naked Nutrition's clean protein powder options at nakednutrition.com. They are a simple way to really help support your daily protein goals without a bunch of unnecessary extras. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because I love it and it's important. And don't forget to comment below with what you'd like to see next. We're always here for you. because here at Naked Nutrition, we believe in nutrition with nothing to hide.